Hello, this is Tachibana Software Company coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we got a Kindle Fire 7. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so you can see we have this nice size Kindle in plum color. So you can see it's got a camera, we got charger port, the locking port, looks like a microphone, headphone jack, up and down button for the volume. I see one speaker on this side. Looks like there's only one speaker on this device. Let's see what else was included. Looks like it's a standard Amazon charging port. That's the charging block. And basic instructions for use. A welcome card. And that looks like that's all it came with. That's the Fire 7 by Amazon. Thank you.